So let's continue from where we left. Convert list, what was we discussed previously. We have already covered split column, so I will not go through it again. We'll move to format option. And here we have multiple options like lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word. So for that, I will use the text column here, customer name, and then select format, lowercase. So when I selected, you could see that all the letters have gone into a lowercase. Then again, I will hit format and then try to click uppercase. So all the information is now in uppercase. So likewise, you can quickly change the case of the text information that you have in the column. You can hit trim. It will remove all the unrequired or it will remove all the not so necessary spaces or extra spaces from the information that you have. And then we have capitalized each word, which will capitalize each word like this. This looks perfect, and this is how it looked previously. And it's kind of sentence case, right? And next is clean. Clean will remove all the characters which came from while, for example, if you copy paste something from PDF and those characters are not printable, unnecessary characters that would be removed if you hit clean. Add prefix, you can add prefix, like example I just mentioned AJ as a prefix, so it will add AJ as prefix onto all this column. Again, if you hit format, add suffix, if I add IT as the suffix, and you would see that all this information have IT at the end, right? So this is how the format would work. I'll remove all these steps and get back to the old position. Now extract, it will extract based on the length the information that you give. For example, if you give length, it will give you the number of length of the character of the text that we had here. So 15 is the first one, so Ajit have 15 characters, right? So it calculated the characters. First characters, for example, if I just update 4 here and hit OK, it will extract the first 4 characters in the information that we had. I'll remove it. Then again, if I click extract last characters, let's assume I need the last 7. Let's assume I want Rahul Sharma's only Sharma, that is the last name coming up in the column SHARMA. So it is like 3, 6, right, characters. So last 6, if I update and hit OK, you could see I have last 6 characters in the data. Then again, if I click extract range, if I give a range starting index, like for example 3, and number of characters after post that, if I select 6, so this is what it will have. It will have the middle portion, right, because I give it a range, so it will take only that range. Then we can have option like text before delimiter, like before space. If delimiter is like a space, if I'm giving and hitting OK, so you can see anything before space it took. Same thing, I'll remove the step and go back, and text after delimiter, if I only want the last name, so I can give a space as the delimiter and hit OK. You can give anything like comma, dash, full stop, whatever there is as a delimiter, and it will show anything after that. So that's how the extract works. Anything between the delimiter, like if there is 2 space in between, anything it has, it will show. So that is text between delimiters. So parse we will not cover here. Rest like statistics and trigonometry information, they are little advanced. We will not go through it. And similarly, run R script and run Python script. This we cannot do as of now in this course, right? So we have covered the basic options that we had so far in the Transform tab. In the next video or session, we will cover the features or functions in Add Column tab. All right, so see you in the next video.